The fully automatic integrated filling capping machine is composed of a bottling structure, display conveyor belt plus turntable, a filling structure, a spray head capping structure, a sprayer crimping structure, a top cap feeding structure and a capping structure, which is efficient in production and greatly saves labor. The machine is equipped with 2 filling heads, 2 vibrating discs, one for the sprayer and one for the top cap. The vibrating disc helps to carry the sprayer and the top cap, and then automatically puts the cap on the bottle with the help of the robot. No longer need manual labor put the lids one by one. This unit needs to be customized according to the lids.